Hello friends, this is the first video of GUI with Python series. So from this video we'll start our GUI course. Today in this video we will learn to create a GUI screen, also some changes of the screen. So let's get started with the code. So first of all we have to import Tkinter module. So we'll write from Tkinter import star. So this line will import all the function from the Tkinter module. Okay. Next, we'll write root is equal to tk. So here you can see our t is in capital letter and k is small. After we give parentheses. Okay. This line will create an screen. Okay. So it runs on low. So we have to do close to the loop. So we'll write root dot main loop and parenthesis. So it will close the screen function. Okay. So now our screen is has been created. So we'll run and check whether our screen is created or not. Okay. So we'll go to run. So here you can see our screen has been created. Okay. So this is very small screen, but we have created one screen. Okay. So here you can see there is title. By default title is given tk, and minimize button, maximize button, also close button is given. So first of all we will change the title of the screen. Okay. So to change the title we'll write root dot title, and under double quote we'll write the title of the screen. So we'll write screen as title. Okay. I have given screen as title. So we'll check. So here you can see our title has been changed screen. Okay. So one thing you have noticed, we can also drag the screen, okay, from one place to another. So here you can see I have dragged the screen to one position to another. Okay. Next we will change the screen size. So here you can see our screen size is very small, so we will change into little bit bigger. Okay. So to change the screen we'll write root dot geometric function. So geometric function, it change the size of the screen. Okay, under double quote we'll write the size of the screen. So I will give 500 into 500. Okay. So here you can see I have given the 500. So it is the wide of the screen, and another 500 is the height of the screen. On middle I have given x, which multiply the height and wide of the screen. So you don't have to give any space under these two wide and height value. Okay. So if you give space, likewise I have given space, so it will show an error. Okay. So you don't have to give the space. Okay. Now we will check whether the screen size has been changed or not. So here you can see our screen size has been changed into 500 into 500. Okay. Now you can see our title is screen. Now we will work on maximize button. So sometime when we create a screen and we don't have to resize the screen. Okay. So here you can see we can minimize the screen, also we can maximize the screen into full screen. Okay. But sometimes what it's happened that we don't have to minimize the screen, we have to create a fixed screen. So to create a fixed screen we have to write some code. So we'll write now. So what we have to write is root dot resizable. Under resizable, what we will do, we'll write 0 comma 0. So first 0 it declared that we cannot resize the wide of the screen, and another 0 declare that we cannot resize the height of the screen. So it means that we cannot resize both height and wide of the screen. So now we will check. Now you can see our screen maximize button is closed, so we cannot maximize the screen. Okay, next we will work on the positioning of the screen. So you have seen when I have run the code, our screen was on right side. Okay, but if we want on center, what we have to do, we have to position, we have to keep the position of the screen. So we'll write the code now. So to positioning the screen, we'll write under geometric. After giving the size of the screen, we'll set the position. To set the position, we'll first write plus sign, and plus sign, after plus sign we'll give 100, which will be the white. From right it will go till 100, and from top it will be, I will give 50. Okay, so now you can see the changes. Here you can see from right it is on 100, and from top 50. Okay, if you want totally in middle, you can do that. So I will give it 500. So from right it will go to 500, and from top it will be 150. Okay, so now we will run the program. So now here you can see our screen is on middle. From right it is 500, and from top it is 150. Okay, so next we will work on background. Okay, so to change the background of the screen, so here we'll write root dot config. So we will configure the screen. Okay, root screen. So here we will write bg, which is the background color, and in double quote we will write the color of the screen. So I will give lime color. Okay, so now you will see the changes of background color. So here you can see our background color has been changed into lime color. Okay, so in this video you have learned how to create any screen, how to resize the screen. Also you have learned how to positioning the screen, and you work on maximize button and change the background of the color. So I think it will be enough for today. In next video we will learn more about GUI. So thank you.